Yes. Do you want to say something?
Today, me and my group gonna tell everyone about process for producing biodiesel using transesterification reaction. So, let's go.
Adam Akil, Wan Daniel dan Zakwan Arif, Muhammad Ahmad. What is biodiesel? Let we find out together. My friend will tell you about biodiesel.
Biodiesel is produced through a chemical process called transesterification, in which fats or oil react with an alcohol, usually methanol or ethanol, in a present or a catalyzed to produce biodiesel. Key point for biodiesel: renewable, environmentally friendly, can be used pure or blended.
So, for this process, we must have two ingredients. The two ingredients is used cooking oil and alcohol, which is methanol. Let's go for proceed to this process. Firstly, we have to put the used cooking oil in a container, or more suitable, in beaker. And then put the alcohol, which is methanol, into the beaker that already have the used cooking oil. After that, we have to mix the two ingredients in the beaker until it's mixture together.
Next, after we done mixture it together, we have to heat or boiling it. We gonna use Bunsen panel to do the heating. For this process, we heating the oil around 80 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 minutes. While we heating it, the oil will come out a small bubble like methanol trying to evaporate. And then we remove the oil from Bunsen panel. Then we put the oil into the filter container to filter the oil. After that, we leave the oil for 24 hours to see the result. Now, as you guys can see, they have two colors in this beaker, which is yellow and black color. The yellow color is biodiesel and the black color at the bottom is glycerol. Next, we have to drain away the glycerol layers so that we can begin the process of cleaning up the crude biodiesel. And then to complete the biodiesel, we add some water. We mix the biodiesel and water together. This step will help wash away any soap or unreacted hydroxide from our biodiesel. We should do this step 2 times to make this biodiesel clean.
Positive effect to environment: reduction in air pollutant. Biodiesel tend to produce fewer harmful pollutants like sulfur oxide, particulate matter, and carbon monoxide compared to petroleum diesel. This can lead to better air quality and reduce hail rates in areas where diesel engines are prevalent. Reduction in greenhouse gas emission. Biodiesel is considered a renewable energy source because it is made from biological feedstock like vegetable oil, animal fats, or algae. When burned, biodiesel releases carbon dioxide (CO2), but this carbon dioxide is part of the natural carbon cycle.
Impact to the environment. For the first one, negative effect. Water and soil pollution. The production of biodiesel via transesterification involves the use of chemicals like methanol for the transesterification reaction. If not managed properly, these chemicals can cause pollution of water and soil. For example, wastewater from biodiesel production can contain residues of methanol, glycerol, soaps, and catalysts. These pollutants can harm aquatic ecosystem and soil health if released without proper treatment. And for the next one is impact on food supply. Growing crops for biodiesel production can compete with food production, leading to higher food prices and potentially affecting food security, especially in developing countries. This issue has been particularly controversial in the case of crops like corn, used for bioethanol, and palm oil, where increased demand for biofuels may divert land and resources away from food production. Conclusion: while the biodiesel transterification process has the potential to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and cut down on certain pollutants like sulfur and particulate matter, it also has several environmental downsides. These include the potential for water pollution, land use changes that may contribute to deforestation, soil degradation, and competition with food production. The net environmental impact depends on factors like the feedstock use, the energy sources employed in production, and how waste products and byproducts are managed. To minimize negative impacts, it's crucial to use sustainable feedstocks, implement efficient production practices, and develop waste management strategies that mitigate pollution.
So, do you guys learn something from our video for production biodiesel using transesterification reaction? There are many more things for this process, but this is the easier way for me to explain. Next, my friend gonna tell you about the benefit. Check it out.
So, there are many advantages and disadvantages of process for producing biodiesel using transesterification.
L-double-E-T-Y.